Alright, I have a Toro Timecutter, and today we were mowing the lawn and we got on to start it, and it made a clunk when we turned the ignition, and it wouldn't turn over. So I did a few YouTube searches and I found out that sometimes the starter can get stuck. So I had to pull off the engine cover here. Just lift the cover off. Then you can see the starter here, and this solenoid is supposed to pop up and turn the flywheel and start the mower. Well, what had happened was the gear on the starter popped up and it hit the bottom of the flywheel. So I just had to take a screwdriver and get in there and pry the flywheel over so that the starter solenoid on the starter could fall back down. Problem fixed.